Hey guys, welcome to Log Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Walmart employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Walmart employee account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address 1.walmart.com like this and hit on enter. Or you can just simply search for Walmart employee login like this on your browser and turn enter, and and on the search result you can see there is the 1.walmart.com. click over there, and over here you can see guys homepage of the one Walmart has opened on these two sites. From the one was from the direct web address, whereas one is from the Google search result. So let's close one of these. Now in order to log into your Walmart account, at the top right corner of the screen you can spot the login button available over here. Click on that login option like this, and over here you'll be required to enter your user ID of your account, and after that choose your country region. And you can see there are a lot of regions. So from over here choose your regions carefully, from Argentina to United States. With that being said, let's just click on the United States, and after then again, after entering your user ID and entering your country region, choose your location, like are you on a steel club or a pharmacy or and an optical or the DC self. With that being done, after you have entered or chosen your all of your credentials to your Walmart account properly, click on sign in, and then you'll be able to sign into your Walmart account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Walmart employee account on your computer online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.